Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use Bitmart in the USA. Bitmart is a global cryptocurrency trading platform that allows users to buy, sell, and trade a wide range of digital assets. To get started, you will need to create an account on the Bitmart website. First, go to the Bitmart website and click on the Sign Up button. You will be required to provide some basic information such as your email address, password, and country of residence. Make sure to use a strong and unique password to secure your account. Once you have created your account, you will need to verify your identity. This is a standard procedure to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. You will be required to provide a government-issued ID and proof of address. After your account has been verified, you can deposit funds into your Bitmart account. Bitmart supports a variety of payment methods, including bank transfers, credit cards, and cryptocurrencies. To deposit funds, log into your account and click on the Deposit button. Select your preferred payment method and follow the instructions to complete the deposit process. Once you have deposited funds into your account, you can start trading. Bitmart offers a wide range of trading pairs, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other popular cryptocurrencies. To place a trade, log into your account and click on the Trading button. Select the trading pair you want to trade and enter the amount you want to buy or sell. You can also set a limit order or a market order, depending on your trading strategy. It is essential to understand the risks involved in trading cryptocurrencies. The cryptocurrency market can be highly volatile, and prices can fluctuate rapidly. To minimize your risks, make sure to set a budget and stick to it. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. It is also essential to stay informed about market trends and news that may affect the prices of the cryptocurrencies you are trading. Bitmart also offers a mobile app that allows you to trade on the go. The app is available for both Android and iOS devices and provides all the features and functionality of the web-based platform. In conclusion, using Bitmart in the USA is a straightforward process. By following these steps, you can create an account, deposit funds, and start trading a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Remember to always prioritize security and risk management when trading cryptocurrencies.